There are many different ways to fold cloth napkins to put on the table. Let's take a look at a few of them now.
First, the goblet fan. Fold the napkin in half on the long side. Make many small folds, like a fan or an accordion. Fold it in half again. Put it inside of a glass and open the fan. To do the tuxedo fold, first fold the napkin in half, making it into a triangle. Fold the two outside corners to the middle corner, making it a diamond. Fold the top corner under, and then pull the two side corners to the front center. Fold the bottom corner under. Adjust the collar accordingly. Then fold the side corners under. For a more authentic feel, you could make a small tie with black paper to put on the collar. To make a pyramid, fold the napkin in half to make a triangle. Then fold the outside points to the middle to make a diamond. Fold it in half and turn it over. The napkin stands up on its two sides, forming a pyramid. The rose napkin is used to carry sugar, and this is the way it's taken to the tables. First, fold all 4 points to the center. Again, fold all 4 points to the center so it becomes a square. Turn it over and put it onto a dessert plate. Fold all 4 points to the center again and flip the napkin over carefully. Unfold the top corners that are in the center. Pull out the other 4 points that are in the center. And there, your rose is finished. The folds can be used to hold sugar and sweetener packets. There are many more ways to fold napkins. To learn other ways, consult the manual that comes with the video course.